right? See what is variable. So generally, program is used to store the information and process the information. That information always we store inside the memory. We always store inside the memory. Variable is nothing but giving a name to the memory location. Giving a name to memory location while storing the data. Suppose 10 a value I am storing. So to this memory location, we are setting the variable name. That's why variable is simply to say identity of memory location. Identity of memory location. What is the use? It is used to store information. That's all. Use it to store. After that, we can perform operations using that variable. Perform operations. For example, a equals to a plus 5. Then 10 become 15. First storing the data and then perform operations on data. Simply what is a variable means what? The name which is given to the memory location.